Nakatulog ka maayos?
Pangit. Good morning. Now we're gonna get something first in the car. What you call this shit? I don't know what you call this shit. Thermometer? Is it a thermometer? I don't know what you call this shit. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. Wait. But I think it's not a thermometer. What the fuck is a thermometer? Sorry, y'all. I just woke up to measure something. If you're gonna measure this, you're gonna use that shit. Oh, this shit. This. What do you call this shit? Where did I hear the thermometer? My fault, y'all. My fault. Alright, y'all. We good. This is the only shit that I need here in the car. Yeah, this is the only shit that I need here in the car. What up, dog? This is shit that I'm talking about. If I measure. Why my voice keep cracking? Oh my god. If I measure the length and then the width using this thermometer. What's that shit? Can you see what's that shit? 6183. Yeah, 6 it's straight. Is it straight? Oh my god, no, it's not straight. Wait. What's that shit? 190? Okay, 190. And check. It's straight, right? It's straight. It's straight, right? Yeah, it is straight. Okay, 190. And then this one. What's that shit? 85? Okay, 85. So it's straight. 85. That's all we need. Okay, let me review the feature real quick because I forgot what is the link. Okay, I'm gonna come back to it later, alright? Let's do it!
They don't have any choice. Siguro pwedeng gagamitin na. Yung nila is gamitin yung na using the due process to them, according to them sa isang demokrasya. So, pero nung siya'y nasa pangyarihan, wala sa pakialam. Marami, hindi lang mahirap. Ang islala dilima, ako po, kumaharap ng kaliwat kamis na lilis. O nga, sinigulang niya sa will come with a warrant of arrest. Kaya, di ba, a few days before nilabas yung decision, sumipat din sa papuntang Hong Kong. So, kasi hapon dapat yung schedule niya pabalik. Doon na sila mag-vote.
Pinapay pa.
Yun yung plano.
Kumakain na siya.
The worst place na ma-arresto siya was yung nangyari kanina. Duterte talagang siguro magkakasikuhan na niya, magkakakatsya ka na.
Okay. Do you think it's wise for you to keep talking?
Oh wait, also today is March 12th and it's my brother's birthday. Yeah, my older brother. Yeah, it is my brother's birthday today. So we're gonna celebrate him later in my dad's. So yeah, let's finish my shit and then I'm gonna come back to you later. Okay, let's do it. Hey man, so yesterday we bought a cabinet. Yeah, in IKEA we bought cabinets in IKEA. The small cabinet. We're gonna build the small cabinet. We're gonna assemble the small cabinet. Yeah, that's the shit. I'ma try to assemble them. Yeah, I'ma just try. I don't know if I can do it, but I'ma just try. Yo. I think I can do him here. So yeah, let me set up my shit first and then I'ma come back to you. Okay, alright, let's do it. Oh my god, try to assemble this. It's a tutorial. We have a tutorial. Is he recording? This is like this. Oh, okay. guys, I'm gonna come back to you. If I buy something first. Melo, let's gonna do something first. And then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, alright, let's do it. And then I bought that flower. Yeah, I bought that flower for my dad. I'm gonna bring him later. It is so hot every day in Philippines. Oh my god. Shit's hella hot. Be good, be good, be good. Be good. Apa, apa?
Ito. Ha? Oo, bababa. Inuwi mo na. Kunin ko.
Ako na pa. Wait lang. No, because harap now, so someone is doing the CR2. Check him. Someone is doing the CR. Ayan. You can flatten that shit. So the cockroaches can come in there. Yeah. They pouring tiles on the bathroom floor. Yeah, that's all that's gonna do there. Yeah. So yeah, it is a busy day here in our house, y'all. So yeah, let me continue doing this shit again. Yeah. Wash it in. That's me. I think this is the last shit that I can do, yeah. This is the last shit that I can do. I can finish him now because you need to grill something. You need to grill something for him. So yeah, I can finish him. I can finish him. Oh my god. It's not gonna fit, y'all. It's not gonna fit. Oh my god, we fuck. We fuck. We fuck. Oh my god, it's not gonna fit. Let's say it is 70. The, the cabinet's width is 70. Oh my god. And this shit only fits 66. Oh my god, we miscalculate that shit, y'all. We miscalculate that shit. Oh my god, we're fucked. We're fucked. Oh my god, we're fucked, y'all. We miscalculate that shit. Yeah. We're fucked. We're fucked. So yeah, we're gonna have lunch right now. But that cabinet's not gonna fit in there, y'all. That cabinet, yeah. Shit's not gonna eat. Shit's not gonna fit in there, y'all. Oh my god. We're fucked. But yeah, it's lunchtime, huh? It's lunchtime, lunchtime, lunchtime. Let's check the CR, the bathroom. Okay, fine shit. Not bad though, not bad. Cockroaches is lurking there, yeah. Most of the time, the cockroaches is lurking there. Yeah. That's why I told the mom, can you please put some shit in there? Oh my god, because the cockroach is lurking there. And it's so annoying. Right now, they're fixing it. Hey man. Let's see some quick update in the bathroom, huh? Quick update in the bathroom. Quick update for y'all, alright? Dirty window. So sorry for the in a pink. Oh my god, I do have a long nails already. I need to cut my shit. Okay, you're gonna cut that shit, y'all. In a pink shirt, sir. That's mom in a pink shirt. We just wanna pick up some food here. I mean, we just wanna buy some food here, and then we wanna pick up the food that we ordered in another sheet, and then if I go to my dad's, yeah, the flower for my dad. And yeah, right now I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting for my mom. I'll come back to you later. Alright, let's do it. Hey man, so right now we're in Petox. What is that? Yeah, see him? Hey, that's mom. We ordered palavak in this bridge to celebrate my kuya's birthday. Yeah, my brother's birthday. Daddy. We're back. Bye, Dad. Bye, 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 bye. Close the door. Baka malis si Daddy. Yan. Kalis dyan, Daddy, ah. Ah, thank you. Take it to them. I'm gonna bring down this. Eh, masaya ka sa may kuskat back eh. Nalalas na. Yeah. I'm gonna just bring Kuya. Yeah, that's Kuya. Hey, thank you. Thank you, Kuya. Yeah. Kuya, thank you. And Ate Ana.
tayo. Mamboko.
Yeah, I just bring him here. Then, if I'm gonna bring down this shit first. And then if I'm gonna come back to the house. So yeah. Wait, let me bring down this shit first, okay? I'm gonna come back to you. Alright, let's do it! That's my crush in a white shirt. Can you all see? I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah. Wait, let me show you. You see them in a white? You see the people walking? Yeah, that's my crush. That's my crush. Y'all can see. And we have some food here. Some food there. Some food there. Some food there. Yeah, some light shit. Some light shit. So let's check the final shit of the ceiling. This is the final shit of the bathroom. Okay, okay. Tire shit, tire shit. Oh, this is not done, yo. Still not done. They need to cover this, yeah. Because that's where the cockroaches are lurking. Yeah. Cockroaches are lurking here. That's why I hate that shit, you know? If they got a blind spot, they finna lurk there. So I hate that shit. So that's why they finna cover up. Yeah, I hate when they have a blind spot. Oh my god. I hate that shit. That gives me anxiety. Oh my god, because I'm really scared of cockroach, huh? If y'all don't know, I'm really scared of cockroach. This is the shit that I built earlier. But the shit ain't fit. Ain't gonna fit here. Oh my god. Because of this. That's why it's not gonna fit. I think that's it for today's vlog, y'all. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. Please! So, thank you so much for watching, y'all. I'ma see you on my next video.
Baby, can you help me? Baby, can you